Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about how to use JumpCloud tutorial for beginners. Now first, what is JumpCloud? JumpCloud is a cloud-based directory platform that manages user identities, devices, and access across systems, apps, and networks. So first things first, is by logging in. Simply sign up or log into your account and then get started. Now on the dashboard, it is an overview of your organization status, like users, devices, and recent activities. Quick access to alerts and tasks. Now, on the users, you can add or manage individual user accounts. You can assign users to groups and resources. And lastly, you can set MFA or multi-factor authentication, passwords, and roles. Now, on devices, you can view and manage enrolled Mac, Windows, and Linux systems. Also, you can apply policies, check device status, and run remote commands. Now on the groups, you can organize users and devices into logical groups. Use for bulk, policy application, or resource access. Now for policies, you can create and apply device policies. Example, screen lock, firewall settings. You can also apply to individual devices or groups. Now, on commands, you can run remote terminal scripts like Bash or PowerShell on enrolled devices. Useful for automation and troubleshooting. Now on applications, you can integrate and manage SSO or single sign-on apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack, and etc. Control user access with one-click login. Now on Radius, LDAP or SAML, you can set up secure access to Wi-Fi, legacy systems, and cloud apps. Now on Insights and Reports, you can monitor activity logs, device health, and login attempts. You can also export reports from compliance and audits. And lastly, on the settings, you can configure organization settings, integrations, and admin controls. And that's basically it.